So what's up everybody, and today we're just gonna be doing a slime video. So what I went to Walmart. I know my father to me, and we got Elmer's Glare Washable Glue. We were gonna get some Codex solution to make clear slime, but they ran out, so yeah. So then I have some make your own Galaxy slimy glue. So yes, so let's get into the video. Okay, so let me see if I can do it like this. Hopefully you guys can see. Yes, you can see. Hopefully you don't fall, so I'm trying to do it. So first we're going to be opening up this as tape. I will see you when this is open. Things are almost open, so I'm gonna sit on the bed. Don't mind the red stuff, it's just sticky. I don't know what that is. I think it's some type of juice. Here's what it looks like in the inside. You can't really see, but so I have a spoon right here. Just in case you need it, but I don't think you do. So I took everything out of the package. This is like the sticky stuff right here. Okay, so let's open it. We have the white glue. So we're going to be making some glossy slime. I'm going to add in some clear. So I have the white glue, you have the stick. Okay, so we don't need any spoon. So I'm just gonna put the ingredients up here so you can see. And the stick is gonna be laying on the ground. We're gonna get into that in the tea. I'm going to get this over with. Here's the instructions. I'm gonna be reading these because yeah, I need to read them. This is the sodium I don't know. Here's the glitter. Oh, it also has a spoon. I think this is for color. This is the purple dye and this blue dye. I will see you because I gotta use the bathroom. But if you see the previous video, I was gonna get my hair done, but I had to wait because 3 other people were getting their hair done. But anyways, we have like something to sit on, but I can't find nothing close. Oh well, I guess I have to stand, but I want you guys to see my face too. So I'm gonna move this out the way, but I'm also gonna put, yeah, I'm gonna just move it. Okay. So I'm going to, again, I got to take, so we can put all the stuff right here, and then I'm going to show you. And this is water, just in case you need empty. Okay. Okay, so that's the light.